Welcome to our BDID domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
Today we will see how we can create email signature. Before starting, I want to say if you missed our previous video, then go to our YouTube channel. You will get all kinds of video there, and do not forget to subscribe and share to others. So to create email signature, we need to follow some of these steps, and that is: first step, go to Gmail dashboard. Second step, go to your settings. On this settings, you will get see all settings. Go to this general section, and this general section you will get a signature to create, and then create your signature. So let's do it. I'm opening a new tab, going to my Gmail section, waiting for a few seconds, and from here I will go to this settings. So this is our Gmail dashboard, right? This is our Gmail dashboard. You can see our steps, and that is go to your Gmail dashboard, and this is our Gmail dashboard. Go to your settings, and we'll just click on this settings and go to see all settings. I'm clicking on this button. It is loading. Okay, now you can see here general, labels, inbox, accounts and imports, filters and blocked address, forwarding and POP, add-ons, chat and meet, advanced. So offline theme, everything is here. But I need to go to this general section. Okay, so we are on general section, and now scrolling down, you will get signature section, and this is the signature section. So I have created for an event hall here, so let me delete it. I can delete it from here, and yeah, now you can see that on your dashboard and on your general section you will get this type of section, and that is signature create. So I am clicking on this create new section, and then what is your signature name? For example, we have a project, and okay, for example, with our company name BDIT domain, I'm adding this one for our signature. So this is the name, and from here you can add whatever you want to say here, that what is BDIT domain about. So let me add here. So let me paste it over there. I am adding about all informations about our company, that is BDIT domain is a leading company in recruitment, staffing and executive search. In the staffing and job marketing industry, we are a reliable source for references in terms of quality and commitment to our work. Now I will add our details, and that is contact information, and this is our contact information. So I will add this one. Okay, and now if you want to add some of attachment, then you can go to here insert image, and you can add your company logo or company flyer or company's image, or you can add any of link also from here. If you want to add some link, that is YouTube, you can add visit site, and that is BDIT domain. viditdomain.com. But let me search here viditdomain.com, and I am going to there, and let me add this link over there. So you can see that I have added those link here. This is how you can add your Facebook link, social medias, all link you can add here, so that if people click here, then it will redirect to your page, to your website or your social media. And also you can add your image, flyer, and those things. So you can use like this. You can create email signature like this, so if people will reach you through this mail, then automatically this email signature will go to them. I hope you understand all the process. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos, and to get notification, click the bell icon.